I'd like to welcome you guys to Liberty Park, the town of Batesville, here in Indiana. We found this park about a year ago. My daughter came here because she used to come here and feed the squirrels. She told us, actually she showed us a picture of her, my bad, she showed us a small video of her feeding the squirrels. I was like, where the heck is that at? Well, Liberty Park in Batesville, Dad. And that's how we found the park, because we came right out here, and what we seen right behind me on that levee literally blew my mind. Okay, I didn't come here to show you the park, totally. I'm going to show you what's up on the levee. Plus, it's going to be hard to show the park because there's children, and I don't get children in my videos. But guys, the wind may be really bad. I don't know if this pod's going to block it all out, because that wind is going to gush where we're headed to. So we're going to head up there, and I'm going to show you what blew my mind the first time we came here to Liberty Park. My first day here last year, we walked up this little scoop. By the way, this is not bad fishing. Well, hold on, I shouldn't have told you that, so I'm going to give it away. But if you watch my videos, you know what to expect. But we walked up here the first time we came here, and what I seen from the top literally blew my mind, as you can see right now. Welcome to Liberty Park Reservoir. And right now there's no wind. I'm gonna take advantage of that. We fished here a couple times, Ange and I have. Well, hello, Ange.
Hello, sorry.
It's good for catfish because we caught nothing else but catfish out of here. So I'm gonna do what I can, and hopefully the wind ain't gonna dicker it over. We're gonna get this, we're gonna walk around the reservoir and get some photo, we'll get some video footage. My God, what's the matter with me? I can't even talk. Yeah, that wind is cold, but my legs ain't cold, even though I'm wearing shorts still. It's the same day as the last video. My legs ain't cold, it's my ears and my fingers. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and vlog at the end, but right now we're gonna get some footage as us walking around this beautiful, beautiful reservoir. Hi. Yeah, we fished down here, I think a total of 4 times. And let me move this in a little closer, guys. About 4 times we fished down here, and we caught nothing but catfish. Nothing but catfish. But we got, you know, we was getting bites like left and right. I'm not exactly sure what's in this reservoir. I'm not exactly sure what's in here, but I would imagine you have monstrous fish because it is very deep in there. I have no idea how deep it is, but it is a reservoir. It is very deep. The last time we actually fished here, we fished from this point right here out this way. And I caught a total of 8 channel cats. Beautiful place. Look at the water. Oh man. I love to know how deep it is out there though. Quite beautiful though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, are we going to come back here this year? We don't know, do we?
Don't know.
Don't know. We probably will, but not to midsummer. Continue on. This would be a good test for my mod to see if it holds back the wind. But Angie just notified me there's a whole other walking trail over that way. So when we come back to do the dirt trails, we just have to do them too. That'd be a really good adventure when we come back then. But yeah, just today we're gonna walk around the reservoir, talk a little bit and enjoy it, at least try. As you notice, I had to put my hoodie up because I don't know, that wind was just blowing.
It's gotten cold.
It's gotten cold, yes. Even though I have a toboggan on, but it's gotten real cold. When that wind blows, it's nasty. Nasty. So we're just gonna finish the reservoir, enjoy the beauty, even though it's nasty out here, it's still quite pretty, right? I walked all winter, right? Now the wind is blowing up to 40 miles an hour and the temperature is about 35, 40 degrees. I kind of wish I had my facial fur. My face feels a little numb on this side from the wind. And poor Angie, she's probably feeling the same thing. But wow, it's a nasty one today, I'm here to tell you. All together, when we get done, we'll be doing about a lap and a half around here because we started off. We want to exit the reservoir right near our car, but we walked a good piece, then got on the reservoir. So yeah, we'll be walking about a lap and a half around here, which isn't bad. It's easy walking. But holy, I'm here to tell you guys, that wind. There's nothing to stop the wind up here. And we're getting the full force of it. Oh my gosh, and it's cold. Windy day up here on the Liberty Reservoir, Batesville, Indiana. Is it worth it? You're damn straight it is. Adventure's adventure, no matter what it is, how it is. It's still an adventure, man! Oh, hell yeah. All right, this is where we walked up, and we still have to go way up yonder before we go down by the car. But one more good shot of Liberty to Reservoir, folks. It is beautiful. I wonder what that is floating out there.
That's like a stick or something.
Yeah. The only downside we actually had here when we was fishing is has seen weird fishing where there's no trees. Just a big, huge body of water, like a big, huge fish bowl, like a big fish tank. I was considering not ever really fishing here, but I wanted to walk here. And when we came here almost a year ago today, I made the statement, we're gonna walk around this thing. We're gonna come back here and walk. Well, it only took us a year to do it, but we did it. And I was wrong about the fishing. It doesn't matter. There's still good fishing here. I just have no idea what's all in here. I know they got a lot of cat in here. Oh, here's our steps. This is the way we go back to the car. This will conclude today's adventure, everybody. It's a windy, cold adventure, but we still enjoyed it. Oh man, tune in, make sure you tune in next time. There's always adventure. I have videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's always something to look forward to when you come back. If you haven't hit that little bell, hit it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Because my wife and I got a lot to offer coming this summer. You ain't seen nothing yet. But until next time, come on, let's get out of here.